Hey, what's up, XRP holders? Today is a very bad day for XRP users because we can say that the changes of this currency. You can see that this is live price predication. You can check it out. The minus 2.06%, absolutely bad result. But if we can check it out, the last 1 hour, sorry, highest change of XRP. This is absolutely good. And today I hope they cross easily 1.1 USD dollar. This is absolutely I hope they cross $1. But what we can say that this is just last 1 hour result. Okay, check it out, last 2 hour result. If you can check it out, last 2 hour result, I hope that it's good. Okay, please subscribe ABS technical channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update, any kind of like this. Okay, please subscribe button and press subscribe button and also like video. Okay, and give me comment, one of this best comment to what I do today. I sell or I buy XRP. Okay, let's check it out. The last my goodness, last 2 hour result. If we can say that the last 2 hour result absolutely bad. This is very bad. So what we can do this time, what we can do this, please comment me what I do. I'm very sad for this result. You can check it out. The last highest result is absolutely good, but not good. This is not very good. Okay, just good. Okay, and I hope today they cross $1 US dollar. But what we can say that this is I hope they cross it. Okay, let's see that the earning of this today, very absolutely. You can see that the graph result. You can say that they're very going down. They are going down, not going off. They are going down. Absolutely, they are going down to what we can say that. But I hope they cross today 1 USD dollar and the highest change. But what we can say that this, you just comment me to what I do, and I am also because XRP holder, therefore please comment me. Okay, and subscribe ABS technical channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.